Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, I failed to plan an outdoor cook for you this weekend and just got busy, just didn't make it. But tell you what, tonight is Monday night as I film this, and it happens to be pizza night here in the house, and I'm going to make a couple homemade pizzas. And if you don't mind, I'm just going to bring you along for that. Doing one pepperoni. I'm not going to concentrate on that too much, just for the kiddos. And this one's one of them we just kind of use up some stuff that's here in the house, and just I hope it turns out. Sometimes it's iffy, but I'll bring you along for that one, guys. Let's get going. Guys, for our crust here, I'm just using this Boboli's. You know, like that stone fire crust, but I can't find that anywhere anymore, guys. So we're gonna go with this. This is the Boboli's thin crust, and it's pretty good crust. It's just not as good as my other. And just for our sauce, had to go with this Classico pizza sauce. It's not what I normally get, but it's actually pretty good. I don't know if I got enough for both pizzas here. If not, I got a second jar. I happen to like a lot of sauce, but my family tends to disagree with that, so I got to try to find a happy medium someplace. Guys, this is just a little Italian seasoning we're going to sprinkle over here just for a little added flavor. Little mozzarella cheese. Alright, go in here and get some of this pepperoni action going on. Alright. Okay, I did brown up some hamburger. That's about the only thing I've cooked so far for this meal. I thought it would go pretty good, so I don't know how much I will use. The rest we'll save for another pizza day. I think there's gonna be plenty right there. Alright guys, just got some bacon. Leftover bacon from the other morning. Yes, I said leftover bacon. That happens. Don't tell nobody. That piece right there. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of that. I'm scared of how that's gonna go with my next ingredient. Alright, that's enough of that. Alright, Mama put some little banana peppers in a bowl here for me. They're gonna go right on here. We put that on pizza from time to time. I'm scared how that's gonna mix with the bacon. That's kind of what I'm unsure of. You'd think it'd go great. I don't know. We'll find out. That's how I'm gonna put it at. Alright, one more right there. Okay, so one last little layer of mozzarella cheese. You know, I got a little sharp cheddar left in a bag. I might add some of that on here just to try to use some of that up. Let's do this. Little sharp cheddar. Just a little bit more of that Italian seasoning right on top. That's all we're doing. Got the Emeril 360 preset here for on the bake setting for 450 degrees. I've got 30 minutes on there. It's not going to take that long for a pizza, but I got doing 2 pizzas and I'll just be watching them by eye as we get going. So guys, let's get this thing heated up. I'm going to cook the kiddos pepperoni pizza first, and we'll come back when we throw our pizza in. I'm not using the fan on this cook. Alright, let's get this monster on in here. Barely fits. I'm guessing this will take about 10, 12, maybe 13 minutes. Alright guys, I'm calling this thing. It's been roughly 13 minutes or so. Let's get this thing out of here. Smells good. Alright. Get off there. Alright guys, let this rest a second. We'll get her cut. Get on in here. Did you look at that? Alright guys, you know that crust is, it's okay, it's not perfect. Got a little crisp in there. Alright. Not too shabby. Tell you what, I taste the bacon. I was concerned about the banana peppers and the bacon mix in there. I want to get another bite. See if I can get a little bit of both. I don't know that I'll mix bacon and banana peppers again. That's not horrible. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. The hamburger was perfect. I normally do Italian sausage, but once in a while a hamburger in its place just makes a difference. Love it. Guys, that's what we do here sometimes. We do a pizza night once a week or so. And this was our night for that. And being our weekend was busy and I did not get to do an outdoor cook for you, I just thought I'd bring you along for this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by and seeing us again. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And guys, hit that like. That helps us out a lot. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.